little. Well, I have to admit, I haven't seen Sophie on it even one time. Miss Sissy, though, every day.
Well, it's Friday, and we're at the St. Andrews State Park. This is the entrance into the golf. The golf is down here, over there, and this is the pass into the bay. It's always this rough. Very seldom is it ever not rough. Yep, both cutting the waves pretty good. Some of the smaller ones are having a little bit of a hard time. The other side is Shell Island. We might go there with a friend of mine. Way over here is where they used to, on the other side is where they used to feed the dolphins. They used to have dolphin feeding at the boats, and then everybody else started coming out and feeding the dolphins things that they shouldn't be eating, so they just said no to it. There's a big fine if they find you feeding the dolphins these days. And this is St. Andrews Bay, that area. And it wraps all the way around there, and it goes to Tyndall Air Force Base. And that there is Bird Pipe and the port of Panama City. All of that is the port of Panama City. You can't see the Hathaway Bridge from here because the state park makes a curve out like that right there. So we're not able to see the Hathaway Bridge from this end. We were just at these jetties here, diving. Girls didn't like the diving very well. Amy's mask was all messed up, and I don't know, Starla, I don't know why she wasn't diving. But this is what they used to call the kiddie pool at the state park. And it's another hot day. We had thunderstorms this morning, but everybody's mellowed out. Hi, Aim.
You get a picture of my burn back?
No, you want me to? It'd be real easy. It glows.
I'm on my way late.
Is it still hurting?
A little.
It doesn't hurt with that stuff on it, does it?
Not as bad.
Starla just cut her foot on the limestone. She fell off of the rocks. We were climbing it. We thought she was doing some rock diving, but it ended up she was being klutzy. So we'll soak her foot in peroxide when we get home. Hopefully we won't have to amputate. This is our diving stuff. I'm trying to find a guy that asked me about diving if he had to be certified, and I want to ask him if he wants to use up the tank, because we didn't even use up a quarter of the tank. I think Amy got a kid's mask though, because it's just way too tight, way too small for the face. Okay, just some of the state park, a couple of the concessions. Not as crowded as it usually is during the summertime, but that's great. Really worried that it might be. And over there is the golf. That's the golf side. That's it. Okay, it's Saturday, and we're at Mexico Beach. We're all kind of burnt, so Trying to stay out of the sun a little bit. We're taking care of Scarlet's foot. Dousing it with neosporin and peroxide. Looks good. Doesn't look bad. Must hurt though. She's not saying a word about it. This is my beach. I think it might rain. Walking. Goes on for miles. It runs into Tyndall Air Force Base, and their beach is exactly like this. There's nothing on it. Just wild. Changed a lot after the hurricane. We're not going to stage this or anything. You're hungry. Ma, what are we going to have to eat? What's for dinner? Is that you're saying?
Yeah,
Sorry, Mom's not here. Get your money out, Auntie Di's here now. This is about where I buried Scruffy.
Where?
I don't know, it's 700 steps from the beginning of the sand.
Oh my God.
Looks like this might be about the area. Let's see here. Talk, Amy.
What are you doing in the thing?
Yeah. Tell them what it is.
I think that's where we stayed for Christmas. 1997.
God, you know the year?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good commentary. And I can tell you what it is. It's Port St. Jose Park. It goes all